Yeah, that's Marley. She loves water, don't you, darling? That's good. Hey, Marley. How are you, sweetie? Sit, baby. Sit, Marley. Marley. Yeah, sit. Good girl. Good girl.
Pansy and Ralph.
Hopeless. Can't see her sitting for the chaos there. And that's Bartlett, this little fella here. Hey, but there she is. Look, she's sitting beautifully. Good girl. There's Bartlett. He's not quite so obedient. Sit, Bartlett. Sit. Good boy. There he's sitting. Look at him. Oh, God. Terrible photographs that they're filthy dirty because they've been hanging out in the dust and the grime. Oh, but they're very nice puppies.
In their water troughs.
In their water troughs. There's the water trough. Look there. There's the water trough. There you go. They're lovely puppies. Where's Pansy
Pansy, sit down.
and Ralph? Hey, babes.